challenge 3 involves about you creating this particular house with using different lines, using different splines, right? I might have taught you some of you other methods, but now I'm going to teach you different. Okay, select splines and gone, and you can select resize your particular triangle. Okay, do understand the end gone. What does it mean? But end means you can specify the number of sides that you want. Okay, select 3, put in radius of 300, and you have the roof, and just resize it accordingly. Okay, just drag the different corners. All right, so once you have this particular triangle done, okay, let's give it a modifier tool. All right, check whether all these parameters are correct. Okay, let's just let it load a little bit. Okay, let's give it a edit spline tool. All right, select a particular spline. I believe that in lesson 3 we've taught you how to divide. Okay, divide it into 2. All right, so we have 3 different segments. All right, okay, next what you want to do is, let's scroll back up, let's select the particular edge, okay, which is in the middle. Let's just press delete and it's gone. Okay, next you move the vertex, move it to the right a little bit. Okay, do some adjustments here and there to make sure that it looks right. Okay, if you're not satisfied, you can just adjust a little bit more. Okay, be careful not to drag the controls. Right, okay, now we have the roof of the particular house. Okay, next we're gonna do is we're gonna build the bottom portion. Okay, let's draw a line, turn on the snap tool as you can see. Alright, turn on the snap tool, ensure that the snap settings is correctly selected. You select endpoints instead of midpoints. Okay, snap it down. Alright, you start, click, click. Okay, for the middle portion of the door, just do a particular triangle using just one point. We will go back to that in a moment. Okay, once you're done, just press escape. Alright, line tool, let's edit the vertex. Okay, now let's change this particular point. Right click and change it to Bezier. Okay, Bezier allows you to have make it rounded. Alright, accordingly. Okay, you can use the rotate tool to rotate the particular point. Okay, just adjust a little bit, do minor adjustments. Alright, just straighten this up. Okay, we are almost there. Okay, let's just shift it in the middle, just agak-agak a little bit. That doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, you're done. Right, the next one, we're gonna create the 2 different windows. Simple one, use spline, rectangle. Okay, just shift, drag, hold on to shift and drag, and it will copy it over. Alright, now we are done. Okay, next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the particular chimney. Alright, you can turn on the snap tool, but adjust your settings. Don't make sure it's not only on endpoint, it could be on tangent, on etc. Okay, just draw it accordingly. If you made a mistake, press backspace to go back to the previous vertex, to the last vertex you have drawn. Right, don't worry about that. Backspace, redo the drawing lines. Okay, once you're drawn, okay, sorry, I think there's a bit of issue. Right? Okay, let's just draw it again. Okay, select it like that. Here, here. Just need to turn off the snap settings, because if you still turn on the snap, it will just snap anywhere. Okay. Okay, once you're done, press escape to enter. Okay, now this particular joint is not joined. Vertex is not joined properly. So let's just move it down. Alright. Okay, now we are almost there. Okay. Next, we need to combine all these different lines. Okay. Use the attach tool. Alright. So you select the main shape, main triangle. Okay, under edit spline, scroll down all the way to attach. Okay, just click onto all the other splines that you have drawn. What it does is that it will attach all these other splines together into the first main group. And we're almost done. We have one main spline, one shape, one full shape. Okay, what you're gonna do next is that, alright, we're gonna weld it. Alright, we're gonna weld all the different points. This is crucial because if you don't weld it properly, you're gonna have issues with extrusion later on. Okay, select weld threshold is 20 mm. Okay, now let's try and extrude. You will start to realize that I made a mistake. The chimney is not there. It doesn't extrude properly. Alright. Okay, extrude, just give an amount 0 is fine. Okay, so let's go back one step behind. This particular chimney, I forgot to delete the particular spline below it. Alright, no worries. Just select the edge. Okay, alright, so when you select the edge, it will select the whole thing. So what do? We have issues with that, so let's just divide, because when you divide, it will add more segments, more vertex to it. Okay, now then you can shift particular vertex, right? If you want, you can turn on the snap tool. Okay, just snap it over. Alright, after that you select the other vertex and just combine them together. Right, almost there. Alright, next you select the edge. Now you have it, and you press delete. Alright, fantastic. Alright, now we have full shape. Okay, but we have deleted some lines. Now we need to weld it again because the chimney the segments, the vertex at the chimney might go missing. Okay, once you weld it, okay, let's give the extrude function, and ta-da, you have it. So it's quite simple. I'm sure majority of you can do it. Don't forget to save, and have a great evening.